What in the name of Olympiad is going on here? So we want to solve this Olympiad question. Now this is x raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 6. To make this easy for us, I am going to say let t be equal to x raised to the power of 6. So it means that x raised to the power of 6 will be written as t, again, to make it very easy for us. So that will be x raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of what? T. No longer x raised to the power of 6, but t. But we have a little challenge again here. What's the challenge? This is x and this is t. We have two variables, but we just want one variable, and t is the variable that we want. So what do we do to x now? We need to express x as t. What do we do? Let's come back to, I said let t be equal to x raised to the power 6. So I want to express x in form of t. How do I get rid of this power of 6 here? I'm going to take the 6th root of both sides. So if I apply the 6th root here and the 6th root here, this 6th root will cancel the power of 6. X will be equal to the 6th root of t, which can also be written as t raised to the power of 1 over 6. Again, from one of the laws of indices. If you have, let's say you have a raised to the power of 1 over 3, this is also the cube root of a. So it's just better expressing it in this form just to make our working easy. So what that means is that x has to be replaced with t raised to the power of 1 over 6. Let's do that right away. So t raised to the power of 1 over 6, then raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of t, which is equal to 3. Now let's wrap this up. Put the bracket here and the bracket here. So this is 1 over 6 times 2. 1 over 6 times 2. 2 here, 1. 2 into 6 is 3. Is 1 over 3. All right. So that means this will be t raised to the power of 1 over 3. Then t. Okay. And this is equal to what? 3. Let's go on. Now I want to bring t and t together. Do you know that 2 times 3 is also 3 times 2? So they are commutative. And that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to bring t inside the bracket and move 1 over 3 outside. So that will be t raised to the power of t in bracket, then 1 over 3, which is equal to what? 3. Now the next thing is to get rid of this 1 over 3 here. What do? I need to cube both sides. If I cube both sides, it's going to get rid of 1 over 3. Let's try it out here. So t raised to the power of t. Okay, then 1 over 3 is equal to 3. I said cube both sides. So that will be all raised to the power of 3. And here, all raised to the power of 3. Look at this, 1 over 3 times 3. 1 over 3 times 3 is 1. So 3 will cancel 3. And that leaves you with t raised to the power of t, which is equal to 3 raised to the power of 3. Wow. Does this not look interesting? This is t, this is 3. This is t, this is 3. We have to equate the bases and equate the powers as well. So it means that t is equal to what? 3. Now we have gotten the value of t, but we are looking for the value of x, and we said let t be equal to x raised to the power of 6. So I'm going to say but t is equal to x raised to the power of 6. Now, of course, we know that t is 3 from here, so 3 is equal to x raised to the power of 6. I need to get x. I need to get rid of this power of 6 here. So I'm going to find the 6th root of both sides, or take the 6th root of both sides. So that will be 3 raised to the power of 1 over 6, okay, is equal to x raised to the power of 6 raised to the power of 1 over 6. Now this 6 will cancel this 6, and your x is equal to 3 raised to the power of 1 over 6. And this is your final answer. But let's do a quick check. Let's see if we put x equal to 3 raised to the power of 1 over 6, we're going to get 3. Let's try it out here. So it's going to be, this is x, which is 3 raised to the power of 1 over 6, then times 2. All right, then x here, again, x is equal to what? 3 raised to the power of 1 over 6, then raised to the power of what? 6. This is really interesting. Now watch this. 6 will cancel 6, all right, and that is gone. So this is 2 times 3, which is 6. That's 3 raised to the power of 1 over 6 times 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 will cancel 6. That is what? 3, and it is 3 that we have on the right hand side. If you find this video helpful, kindly like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.